Hey guys, this is Komal here from English Wise Parameta branch, and today we are back with another successful student, Tasneem, with us, who recently smashed her desired score of 7 each for her nursing admission. And she has made this possible within 4 weeks of practice here with us. So first of all, heartiest congratulations to you, Tasneem.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much to English Wise.
So how you are excited about this moment?
I'm finally very relaxed, like happy. No more PT now.
No more PT?
Yeah.
Okay, now you can focus on some other
Yeah.
important areas of your life, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so Tasneem, let me know that how was your journey here with us? What were the struggles? What were ups and downs? How you identify your strengths and weakness? Tell me.
It was only possible due to the trainers. Because honestly, I'm saying I was weak in the speaking due to my natural voice. It was soft, like I'm speaking soft.
Yes.
So my microphone is not able to detect my voice.
Yes.
So Komal worked a lot on my speaking. That's why it is 82 now.
So I remember still when you was trying to speak, it was always we say you okay, you have to increase your pitch, you have to speak a little bit in a firm tone. So guys, each one of us has a different voice, right? So it's not like that what worked for you might work for the another student. So here at English Wise, we see okay, what is the requirement? We see the voice of the student and we made the changes according to that. And that's actually very important for your speaking scores, because it's not like that you can just implement same strategies, same things on every student. Each and every student has a different qualities and different strengths and weaknesses, and we have to customize everything according to that. So apart from speaking, Tasneem, was there any particular module where you were struggling?
I think the second is reading.
Yep. So reading, particularly blanks.
Yeah, blanks.
Okay, so tell me what was your secret of success with your reading module?
Only the tips and techniques we are using in the lab, like elimination or the
Prediction
methods,
strategies.
yeah,
Yep.
they all worked. If
So-
we apply, they all worked.
So how many questions in a day you practice usually if I ask for your reading?
When I book my exam, after that I did one video
Yep.
a day, 60 to 70 questions per
Yes.
blanks, drop down or a drag and drop.
Yes. So you practice with timer, right?
Yeah.
So it's very important, guys. Do not just keep on practicing any random question without keeping the track of your time in your reading module. You need to understand this thing. In the exam, there is specific time, specific question, and you have to crack that. And you will be definitely under stress if you haven't practiced those questions with proper time. So if you set your time, you practice from some specific videos that we recommend here, definitely you will come to know how to cope up with that pressure. So I think that's wonderful thing. Anything you want to share with all of them, how you can get such an amazing scores in a shortest period of time?
I think the main focus is on the techniques and tricks which
Yep.
we get only by the institute where we study. We have to practice in the lab. That's the main
Yes.
thing we have to do, because at home we are not able to give a much time
Yes.
because we are busy in something else. We didn't able to give the time as much as we want. But if we come to a lab, we are stressed here. I have booked my exam. After that, from morning to evening, I'm here in the lab.
Yes. Because you know that you have now specific time only left and you have
Yeah.
to focus more. That's very wonderful, I think, tip to all the students. Thank you so much, Tasneem, for sharing such a wonderful experience with all of us. I think that is going to help out too many students out there. All the best for your PT, guys.
Thank you.